Okay, so let's talk about these Spyder bits and sockets. Now, this is these things are very expensive. They sell them at Lowe's, and I just can't believe how expensive these things are. I mean, are they that much better? I don't know. I bought this a few months ago. Never have even used one of them yet because I got so many of them, of course. But the only time I buy them is when they're on a huge sale. And this one was on, I think, one of those yellow tag sales. It was very cheap. I forgot what it was, but man, I tell you what, they are some beautiful bits. Look at that. Look at that blue color on that bit right there. Just a beautiful bit. I don't know if this blue will probably wear off in no time. I don't know if they're any better than any other bits or not. I'm going to have to test that and see. What did I get today at Lowe's? I walked up, every time I go to Lowe's, I just walk around looking for yellow tags or the deal tags. And this had a yellow tag on it. This one is the part number 19702. It's the 10-piece 3/8 inch impact socket set from Spyder. This one was regularly $45 for this 10-piece socket set, and I got it for $11. It was a yellow tag sale for $11. And right now, this is the SAE. I looked for the metric. They didn't have any metrics. This was it. Only one for $11. And then this one was $4. This one was the deep socket set. It's an impact socket set, 3-piece. Comes with this little adapter here, 1/2 inch and 9/16. So let's get these open. We'll take a look at them. Okay, so here they are. This is that 3-piece set. Pretty nice looking ratchet here. I mean, this little Spyder here is engraved with the blue paint. This 9/16 is also engraved with the white paint inside. And of course, you got this blue ring. Other than that, this is that spline drive. As you can see, the splines in there. I mean, they look like, regular impact sockets to me, other than this spline drive, which I kind of like. But it does look cool with these little spiders here. So this one came with the 1/2 and the 9/16 inch with this little adapter, 1/4 inch hex adapter. This one is the full. Now this one comes, let's see. This one is from a 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch here. With a little 1/4 inch adapter. As you can see, these right here are all just plastic clips. These little things here are all just plastic ones, retaining clips. I am not that impressed with the rail at all. It's just a plastic rail with these little holes here for hanging on either side. No magnets, nothing like that. Wish it did have magnets, but no magnets. Yeah, no magnets anywhere. But I tell you what, I do like. Here's what I do like. I do like that the numbers are very easy to see, and they are engraved with white paint inside each number. I mean, you can see that's very nice to have that. But for $45, I mean, I don't think this is worth $45 for these. What is it? 9 sockets. But for $11, yeah, $11 is a definite buy for sure. I don't know. I'll find someplace either hang it or put it in the drawer, or either that or just put it in the truck. I don't know. I'll find something to do with it for $11. It's not a bad deal. I wish they had the metric to go along with it, but if they had the metric, they may not even have had these on sale. I don't know. But anyway, so that's it. That's the Spyder socket set with these little spline drives here. Pretty nice set, especially for $11. Let's see what's next. Okay, what's next is this. It's the Hoto 3.6 volt cordless screwdriver. It comes with 12 bits here. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so this is a unit here. It does come in this very cool aluminum little cylinder here. It's got this little rubber tab on the front, little carrying handle on the top of it here. You can see here's your lock and your unlock. We'll turn it to unlock, pull it out. There it is, just an empty aluminum cylinder. And here's the unit here. You can pull it out. You see on the bottom here, now this is not aluminum. This is, I think, just very heavy plastic here. Here's your 12 bits in here, and this thing just fits right here in the middle of it. Now, this one does have torque settings. You see it's off here. It's hard to see, but it says off. There's 1, 2, and 3. Now, I don't think this is speed. I think it's torque. Let's watch the RPMs. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's the same speed, just like the Amazon Basic. Same speed. It's just the torque. I guess this light here is your battery indicator. It is USB-C chargeable on the bottom here. Let's get out one of these bits. Comes with this little rubber cap on the top. I didn't know what that was. Let's see. Yeah, it's held on by a magnet. Pretty strong magnet. I'm going to get a wood screw out. Let's see how this thing does. Okay, I've already got a little piece of 2x2 here with some wood screws in it. Let me find the right. I think it might be this. This is a T20. Yeah, it's a T20. Put it in here. Let's try to back it out first. Oh, I'm going to put it on 3 torque. You got to turn it on. All right, let's see how it does putting them in here now. Wow. I mean, it sunk it all the way in and started just stripping the screw. So this thing's got some real torque to it. Very nice. Now, let me see. Let me put it on torque setting 1 and do that again and see if it stops instead of stripping the screw out. Yeah, it stops almost flush here. So these torque settings do work, I guess. We'll turn it back off. Take this out, put it back in here. Lock it, and that's the Hoto 3.6 volt screwdriver. Let's see what's next. Okay, so Acebeam sent this out to me. It is the UC3A compact multicolor signaling light. It's got dual LED main light, an auxiliary RGB light, and dual switches. 10-year warranty from Acebeam. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Okay, here it is. Let's get it out of the package here. There's your product certification. This comes with a little small carabiner, and it looks like some rubber O-rings here. USB-C cord. And here's your light. It is made out of, heavier than I thought it was going to be, made out of aluminum. There's a magnetic base here. See what kind of, oh, it's just a little, like a little 400 milliamp AAA battery. Pretty small. There's your O-ring here. Here's your double emitters there for your main light. Let's see. Press and hold. Low, medium, high. Let's see if we double press for turbo. Nope. You just got low, medium, and high. Let's see what the lumens are for high here. 900 lumens for 15 seconds. And then it goes down to 4 lumens for another 15 minutes. Or 400 lumens, I'm sorry, for 15 minutes. Now, this button, of course, was your main light. This second button is your signaling light. There it is, bright. Let's hold it. It just comes on and off. Okay. Double click. There's your red. Double click. Blinking red. Double click green. Blinking green. Purple. Blinking purple. There's your flashing through all the colors. You just double click it after you turn it on. Pretty easy to operate, actually. I like that fact of it. And pretty bright, 900 lumens. Now, I'm just going to sit here. I won't make you guys wait, but I'm going to sit. We'll see when it steps down. It says 15 seconds. Must be longer than 15 seconds because it hadn't stepped down yet. Huh. Well, I can't get it to step down. Okay, so the only way to charge this now is to take this little battery out and charge the battery. There is no USB-C charging anywhere on here. You have to take this battery out. And you can see, you can charge it right here in the battery itself. So it's a very small light. I mean, this is not meant to be your main light. I think mainly they say this is, well, they call it a signaling light, so I guess that's what it is. I'm going to see, how long will the signaling last? Well, the only thing that gives me is a strobe on here, and it says 1 hour, so I guess that's how long it'll last with this little AAA battery in here. Nice little light from Acebeam is the UC3A. Let's see what's next. Okay, what's next is this. It's the GorillaGrip Allen key set from Bondus. Now, I've been trying to buy these Bondus tools because they're all made in the United States, especially their regular, L keys. Now, this one is this folding. They call it a GorillaGrip. I wanted these because I wanted more of a quality set. I mean, I've got some from Harbor Freight. I tell you, I got one from Harbor Freight. I was over there helping a friend. She was moving in, and I had to, put together some furniture. The thing broke in the first, 10 minutes. It came loose, and I had this little L key with just a little loop on the end that I was having to use with a pair of pliers. I wanted to get a little bit better set, and that's what these are. Now, if you can see, this one says, assembled in the USA from globally sourced components. So this is not purely made in the USA like their L keys are, but they do look a lot higher quality than what I've been using. Let's take a look at them. Okay, they came out and had these little pins here. There we go. They come out easy though. So this fold-up tools. This is the 8-piece GorillaGrip, GorillaGrip. Torx 9 through Torx 140. Yeah, you could tell these are just so much better made than those cheap pair I've got. They fold out easy. They all have the markings here to tell you exactly what they are, right under here. Very nice. Now this here is the 7-piece. It's the 2mm to 8mm. 8mm is pretty good size, as you can see. Once again, they fold out easy. They got all their markings below here. Just a nice set from Bondus. And then, of course, you got your SAE from 5/64 to 1/4 inch. Nice set. Okay, so that is the Bondus GorillaGrip. I got these off of Woot, and I forgot what they were. I got them for a good price, or I wouldn't have got them because I got so many. But I do like these. Now, Klein made one. Klein came out with one that was pretty high quality, too. I like the Klein, and I like these. I may have to put these in the bag and check them out. So that's the GorillaGrip from Bondus. Let's see what's next. So this is a 2026 summer gift set. It's a 3-piece set by Haul Knipex. It is a limited edition. The main reason I got it is because of this bottle opener here. I just thought it was really cool looking with the twin grips on here. So all of these are made in Germany. Let's take a look at what comes in the set. So this is it. This is a 3-piece set. This is the bottle opener that I wanted. It's got this little pewter looking finish on it. Like it says, does say here, made in Germany. It's got this little twin grip like head on it here, as you can see. Just an awesome looking little bottle opener. I really like that. This set cost, I think, $89. I forgot where I got it. Tools Today or something like that. I didn't get it from KC Tool, which is my go-to, which I should have got. I'll leave a link in the description. They're all the same price right now. It comes with this 10-inch pair of twin grips. Now, I didn't have the 10-inch pair. I had the 8-inch pair, and I had the 6-inch pair. So now I've got all three. This is a 3-piece set. They all come with these very cool looking grips here with this textured grip, you know. It's not the slick, but it does have a nice texture. I really like these grips. Man, and this is I mean, 2-inch means a lot on a pair of pliers. This is a huge pair of pliers here. Now, I don't know how many settings it is. It's a lot of settings, though, as you can see. That's as wide as it goes. And then it comes down to here. Very nice. Now, the pair I use these all the time. This is my 8-inch pair. And I just picked up this little 6-inch pair not too long ago. I really haven't had many opportunity to use this, but I do use this all the time. This is the 200 millimeter, and of course this is the 250 millimeter. So 25 millimeters equals an inch, 250 and 200 here. But I think this will come in handy. I didn't, you know, the main reason I did want the bottle opener, but I didn't have a 10-inch twin grips, and I said, you know what, I might as well pick it up. Well, because this is a limited edition. I wanted to get this, but I really wanted this 10-inch twin grips here. Let's take a look. Let's take a closer look at this bottle opener here. See, it's got that little pewter-looking finish on it. Just very, very cool looking. I really like that. Along with it, not only do you get the 10-inch twin grips, you get these 10-inch side cutters here. And I kind of like the 10-inch side cutters. Gives you a little bit more leverage. Now, this one does have those slick handles. It doesn't have that little textured grip handle. Let's see how it cuts this. I've got some 12-gauge 20-amp Romex here. Oh, yeah. That 10-inch means a lot, man. I tell you, I really like that. So that is the 3-piece summer set for 2026, including the bottle opener. I'll leave a link in the description. And I appreciate you guys coming along for the ride. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you don't mind. And we'll see you on the next tool haul.